I made this video for you. How to wake surf for beginners. One of you commented, great video, but how do you actually teach somebody? Do you just show them the video? Do you just talk them through the steps? What do you do? Great question. In this video, I actually teach somebody how to wake surf and you come along for the ride. This is gonna be a longer video because it takes time to teach somebody how to wake surf. If you're looking for the short video, just 4 steps, click right here. With that, here's Brianne. She's never wake surfed before, and I'm gonna teach her how to wake surf. So the easiest thing is to have you sit with your butt right there on the white with your feet facing this way.
Like this?
Yep, exactly. So your knees will actually be bent about like that, and your feet will be up about like this, because the board's gonna be floating just like this right here. And from there, what I'm gonna do is I'll talk you through what to do, and then we'll actually practice it right here on the back of the boat a couple times to make sure you got it, and then we'll practice in the water a little bit, and then we'll go. First step, you slide your butt to your heels, and then you'll point your toes down, and then you'll stand up. And we're gonna do just the first step. So your feet are gonna be up like this, and I'm gonna play the roll of the boat, okay? You want your arms straight, okay? So as I pull, you slide your butt. Nope, you can't pull.
Okay.
Let me pull.
Okay.
So I pull and you slide your butt. Boom, just like that. But you don't want to pull.
Okay.
You want to let me do all the pulling. So scoot all the way back. Your feet will be up like this. Remember? So just the first part. What I want to do is just pull you, and your butt will end up like right here. Okay? And then I'll stop, and then we'll do it again. Okay, you say go.
Go.
Boom, right there. Good. Okay, scoot back again. Okay, this time we'll go all the way up. But let me do it.
Okay.
Let me pull. You say go.
Go.
Ooh, almost.
Like I would have done.
Let me get your heels
What
too.
if I went like flying off the other end?
Just tackle Blake off.
Good. Okay. All right. You say go.
Go.
Just like that.
I'm an expert.
Okay. Let's do it 3 more times just to make sure that it's in your brain. Okay. You say go.
Go.
Perfect. You say go.
Go.
Boom. Good. All right. Hop in. If you're getting value from this video,
here you go.
Please subscribe. All right. Now that you're in the water, before we do anything, tell me what the 3 steps are.
Okay. Slide your bum.
Yep.
And
It's all right. Everybody forgets.
Slide your bum. Keep your arms straight. Is that one?
Keep your arms straight is a good tip, and you need to do that. I'll repeat it again. Slide your butt to your heels.
Slide your butt to your heels.
Point your toes down.
Point your toes down.
Stand up.
Stand up. Okay.
The reason why I do it in 3 steps instead of 4 even on this is because 4 steps it gets kind of long for people to remember, but 3 steps are pretty easy to remember. Slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, and stand up. Now we're gonna do just that first step, okay? You can't see it, but I'm sitting on the platform and dangling my legs in the water. This allows the board to rest on my legs.
Will it be like this?
It'll be like this. Your feet will kind of be like this. The board will be down further a little bit. But you say go.
Go.
See how you're pulling? You pulled.
Okay.
I could feel it, right? You
Okay.
pulled. I didn't pull.
Such a reaction.
It is. I promise it is, which is why we're doing this, okay? You say go.
Go.
You want to slide your butt to your heels.
Okay.
Get to here. See?
Okay.
That's why it's slide your butt to your heels. Because that first time you were like trying to shove your legs out really hard.
Yeah.
You don't want to do that.
So
You want to get to here.
Okay.
Yep.
It's like, yeah.
It's opposite of what you think. You think I'm gonna like pull and try to stand up, and it's not how you do it. You squat like a slinky.
Okay.
You say go.
Go. Slide your butt.
Yep, all the way to there. It was a little bit of a struggle. You want to loosen your legs a little bit more so that you slide a little bit easier your butt to your heels.
Okay, just pull me, but just like slide.
Boom, just like that.
Okay.
Yep, so it'll be kind of sitting like this. As soon as the board flips up on your feet, I'm just gonna go. And it's just gonna be just like that. So now that we know that, now we're gonna work on flipping the board up. And what this is you push your heels down that way, okay?
Like
You're actually
down,
gonna,
or?
yep, down that way.
Oh,
And,
like
yep, it's all right, it's all right. What you're gonna do though, is I'm gonna give you some tension in the rope. You're gonna raise your hands kind of above your head like this, and then you'll push down, okay? Hold on, not yet, not yet. Okay, raise your hands up. Now push down. See how it flipped up?
Oh yeah.
And then what's that first step?
Slide your butt to your heels.
Right, you gotta get to that point, okay? So let's do that whole little section. You ready?
Yeah.
See how you pulled?
Yes.
You gotta let me pull.
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, you ready? Put your hands up. Put your feet down. Oh, you pulled. You gotta let me pull. I promise I'll pull.
I was thinking like putting my arms up.
Yep. All it is for like a split second, you put your hands up here and it gives you enough leverage to flip the board up.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Push your heels down. See how you keep pulling? Let me pull.
Did a little bit better that time.
Yep. And now you're still pushing out with your legs. Remember, you slide your butt to your heel. Yes. Boom, you want to get to this spot.
Yes.
Okay? If you don't get there, you're not going to get up. You ready to try?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say push your heels up or raise up your hands, and that's also push your heels down at the same time. And as soon as the board flips up, I'm just going to take off.
Okay.
Okay? And I won't go too fast or anything. I know like the proper speed to go, and I'll just kind of read your body and make sure you're doing it right, okay? I'm going to slide you out on this side.
Like in the right spot? Or
so what?
Be like more in it?
No, the reason why I have them at the edge here is it makes it easier to flip the board up on your feet. What's actually going to happen is when the board flips up, your feet are actually going to slide like this and come to about right here.
Okay.
So they will get in the center.
Okay.
Okay? But I want them on the edge specifically for you to be able to flip the board up on your feet. Okay, I'm going to slide you this way, and then I'm going to go start the boat, and we're going to go. What are the 3 steps?
Slide your butt, stand up.
Okay, good. Slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, and stand up.
Yep.
We'll get the board to flip up on your feet first. Nope, stay right there. You're perfect right there. Okay, raise your hands up and push your heels down. Stand up tall, stand up. Woo! That was awesome, you popped right up. First time. Good job. Now that you know how to teach somebody to get up wake surfing, you probably want to teach them to drop the rope. Here's a video for you. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.